Hey, it's Rich Tarani. Thanks for watching. We're at AIoT World Expo. It's part of the IT Expo Tech Super Show 2026. It's February here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Akhil Arora is with us. He's with IoT 83. How are you?
I'm doing good. Thank you for asking. Yeah.
Thanks for being part of this show and being on our program. Can you tell us about your company?
Yeah. So IoT 83 has been in existence for over 9 years now, and like a lot of IoT platform providers, we started off with as a no-code, low-code platform. But most of our customers are enterprise customers, mostly tier 1, tier 2 OEMs. And the need that the enterprise applications have is not being served by the no-code, low-code platform. So this is the 7th version of the platform that we'll be showcasing this year. Had been in making for 2.5 years. And as you know, the Gen AI and AI has been the hottest topic of every boardroom today. I see our platform is actually, it brings in the most value for the CIOs and the CDOs today. Because the biggest problem that Gen AI and the AI is facing is because over the years, a lot of companies have built a lot of solutions, and they have other third-party platform solutions that are holding a lot of enterprise data. But the problem is that these are all siloed systems, and the CIOs and the CDOs are facing the problem that how do you unify this data to bring in the most value that Gen AI can provide? So our platform, which is AIoT platform, also provides the AI engine that brings in that data together and provides a unified data layer for any enterprise that would like to work and create actual value that Gen AI can provide. So so I'm very excited to be here, and our VP of Engineering is also traveling from India. He'll be showcasing the platform in one of the sessions, demoing it to the audience, what we have built over the last 2.5 years, the current version of the platform, and would love to hear what people think about it and how they perceive. We have proven record. Customers, tier 1 service providers in the US are using with about 65 million connected devices, which is our biggest deployment.
That's impressive.
Yeah. So that's our biggest deployment in the US. And so we would love to show people how the unification of data is important, and how we actually lower the time and the cost of developing an application by almost like 6x. So because we have taken down all the major, I would say the back-end aspect of coding that you need to build an application, we have brought almost 80% of what you'll need as part of the platform today. And so all you have to code is about 20% what is needed to build the custom application for an enterprise grade.
That's great. How do people find out more?
So we are available almost every channel, which is our website, LinkedIn. We have regular, our marketing is pretty active. We have regular posts going out on LinkedIn showcasing or sharing more and more features that we are developing. So if you follow us on LinkedIn, you get regular updates. And we have newsletters from me, from Nishant, our CEO, Lee House. We regularly post, share newsletters about what's coming and what's new, and how the industry is seeing and is using our platform.
Thanks for being here.
Thank you.